Hi, my magical creatures, and welcome to my channel. So today's video, I'm doing a Valentine's Day like Euphoria makeup look. So before we begin, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, like, subscribe. It's a free way to help your girl out. So let's begin. So I'm starting off with my NYX primer. So we're gonna go ahead and dab that on her face. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and take our Patrick Star powder foundation, and we're gonna go ahead and take a little fluffy brush and blop, 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 blop on our face. And don't forget to double tap to get all the excess powder off. But you know, to cover up my freckles, we want to do like a full coverage kind of look. So next, we're gonna go ahead with our Tarte concealer thing, and then we're just gonna go ahead and dab that under our eyes. And then I just do a little bit, and then I also put it on top of my eyelids too, because we're gonna do some eyeshadow. So then you just blend that in. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go with our Nars Bronzer, and then we're gonna go ahead and contour our cheeks, our jawbone, and then also our forehead area. You wanna do this like in a 3 pattern. So, you know, like the number 3, just go ahead and just go from forehead to cheekbone to jawbone. And then also we're gonna contour our nose too after. So don't forget, we're also going to contour our nose to make it a lot smaller, and also to give it a nice shape, I want to say. But yeah, whoever invented contouring the nose, like, is a genius. All right, so after you contoured everywhere, get a brush and start blending it all out. We want to blend it in. We don't want any harsh streaks or lines or anything like that. Look at that, already looks so cute. But yeah. All right, so go ahead and get this translucent powder. You can get this at Walmart or Target. And then you want to get like a little dry beauty blender, and then we're going to clean up the contour where we contoured at, just on the sides of our cheeks and our nose, just to clean up the edges, to give it a nice sharp detailed look, to make your cheeks and your nose look really sharply contoured, like a real shadow, you know. This translucent powder is so good, you guys. Honestly, I've noticed a lot of drag queens use this translucent powder, and I have the one called Extra Coverage. So this one is like really, really good. Yeah, so definitely get you this translucent powder. I think it's like under $5. So next, we're gonna go ahead and go with this blush. This blush is like from Charlotte Russe when I used to work there back in the day. So I would just go, it's like a pink like shimmer blush, and you just wanna put that on the apples of your cheeks, and yeah. So you want to go ahead and get this e.l.f. like little eyebrow brush thing that I got, and I have it in the shade Neutral Brown because it goes good with my eyebrows. But you can get this at like Walmart or Target in the e.l.f. section. Oh, and then there I go, walk away. Yes, I was looking for my mirror because I could not fill in my eyebrows on my phone camera. So, but yeah, so you want to get you like a little $2, like, you know, eyebrow brush. And honestly, I've been using this for years, and it's really, really good. I really like it. So, and no, I'm not being sponsored, but I mean, e.l.f., if you do want to sponsor me, just let me know. So next, you want to go in with like a little flat brush, and then you want to put some concealer on it, and then you want to go ahead and carve that out, carve your eyebrow out, because we're going to clean up the mess to make it more sharp, more defined, and, you know, look more professional and everything. So yeah. And now we're going to go ahead and blend it out. All right, so next you're gonna go ahead and get a red lipstick. Any type of red lipstick will work. We're gonna go ahead and put that on our eyelids, and then we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. All right, so it should look like this when you're done, all blended out and everything like that. So next we're gonna go in with our Jade palette from Little Mix. All right, absolutely love this palette. It's so pretty. So we're gonna go in with Red Planet, and then we're gonna go ahead, dip that brush in there, like a fluffy brush, and then you're gonna just pack that onto the whole eyelid. You want a red eyeshadow that's super red. I want like a cherry pop red type of color, you know, very pigmented too. So you're just gonna go ahead and dab that on, just pat it on, because when wiping it on, it kind of like smears it and streaks it and all that. So I think in order to get more pigment and color, just pack it on. And don't forget to do the other side. All right, so next we're gonna go in with Angel of the North color, and we're gonna go ahead and put that on like the edge of the eyeshadow. We want to give it more dimension, and we want the eyes to really pop. So definitely put those on the ends of your eyelids, eye shape, and then blend it out. All right, so next you're gonna go ahead and get this glitter. I got this glitter off of Etsy. You can get this probably at Michael Arts and Crafts store, Walmart, wherever. You want big chunky red glitter chunks with like little pieces of glitter in it. That's gonna give the eye so much dimension and everything like that. And then what you want to do next after that is get like some glitter glue. You can get that in the NYX section. And it's like what, $6 maybe for like some glitter glue or whatever. But yeah. So go ahead, get a flat brush, put that glitter glue on the flat brush, and just wipe that on the parts of your eyelid. And then we're gonna go in with that glitter, and then you're just gonna go ahead and start packing that on. Just, you know, pack it on, and it looks so pretty. It looks like little rubies, like chunks of rubies, like on my eyes. So yeah. And don't forget to do the other side, of course. Yeah, it looks alright, you know, it looks cute or whatever. We're not done yet. So now you're gonna go ahead and dip in the shade Confetti, this silver metallic looking color, and we're gonna put that in the inner corner of our eyes. All right, so now go ahead and get your Maybelline mascara or any mascara you feel comfortable with, and let's go ahead and start putting mascara on our eyelashes. And don't poke your eye out, because that happened to me on my last live and super embarrassing, but I'm alive, I'm okay. And don't forget to do the bottom lashes as well. Super important to give the look, and it looks so good already. All right, so we're gonna go in with an e.l.f. Black eyeliner, and we're just gonna go ahead and underline our waterline area, and basically it's gonna make the black eyeliner look so good on our bottom waterline. It looks so good, it looks cute, and yes, looks so good. So next, go ahead and put on like some cheap eyelashes from Walmart that I get. So definitely just get you like some black glue, and then just glue that on your eyelashes. Wait for the glue to get tacky, and then just put them on. And it should look something like this. Cute. So go ahead and get you like this nude, it's like a liquid matte lipstick, and it's like a nude. I really don't know what color it is or what brand it is, because it's so like old, but definitely it's just get a color that looks like this. So next we're gonna go ahead and go with NYX Butter Lip Gloss in the shade Madeline. We're gonna go ahead and put that on top of the liquid matte lipstick that we have on, and it's gonna be super cute, super nudie, super cute. I love doing eyeshadows with like bold colors on my eyelids, and then do like a nice nude, like a Kim Kardashian, Paris Hilton type of nude lip to go with it. I just think it's so pretty, so like iconic. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and go with our Becca Highlight. Mine is all like crumply and dropped and all that, but it's still, you know, workable and all that. So you're gonna go ahead and just get you a small little tiny brush, dip that in there, and we're gonna go ahead and highlight the bridge of our nose. So you kind of want to do like an exclamation point, and then just go on like a line and then like a dot at the tip. And then we're gonna go ahead and highlight under our brow bone as well to give that more of a pop. And we're gonna go ahead and blend that out. And so now we're gonna get a brush, and then we're gonna go ahead and just brush all of that white translucent powder that we had on our nose and our cheeks. It's time to just brush that all off. Cute. So we're gonna go ahead and go with our dewy setting spray, and then we're gonna go ahead and get a little fan brush. Go ahead, spray that a couple times, and then we're gonna go in with our highlighter, and then we're gonna go ahead and start highlighting our high points of our face. Fabulous. All right, now that we're all done, go ahead, get that setting spray, and we're gonna spray all over our face to set that makeup so it lasts all day long. And fan. And yeah, you guys, look at that. It looks so cute. Picture ready. Oh my goodness. Now we just gotta try on some outfits and look sexy. So I definitely have a couple outfit looks for you guys to look at for, you know, inspiration. So before you go on your date, go ahead and get you like a nice lotion, a nice scent. Usually I just go to Bath and Body Works and get my stuff. Yeah, so go ahead, spray that on. I love my little Victoria's Secret bra that I have on because it totally matches my, you know, my eyes and everything like that. So this is definitely like one look that you can definitely go out and like do and everything like that. It looks so cute. Get it, girl. All the guys are gonna be looking at you, girl. And this is the second look. You can definitely go for like a little red devil corset looking thing. Like, oh, this is so naughty but sexy too at the same time. Yeah, so definitely these are like little couple looks. I probably will not be wearing these for Valentine's Day, but I mean, if you guys want to go ahead, you know, I'm doing a little lookbook for you guys. But yeah, so this concludes the video. Don't forget to comment, like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay magical.